When will I get my refund on Jackson Hewitt? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to jacksonhewitt.com and log into your account by clicking on the login/sign up option given above. Here you want to enter all of your credentials, so go ahead and enter your username or email ID, then enter your password, and now click on the sign in option. The timing of receiving your tax refund using Jackson Hewitt depends on various factors. If you e-file your tax return, you generally receive your refund faster than if you mail a paper return. E-filing is a quicker and more efficient process. The Internal Revenue Service (IRS) typically issues refunds within 21 days of receiving an e-filed return. If you mail a paper return, it may take longer. If you choose to receive your refund through direct deposit, it is usually faster than waiting for a paper check to be mailed. The accuracy of the information on your tax return is crucial. Any errors or discrepancies may delay the process of your refund. Occasionally, the IRS may experience delays in processing due to various reasons, including high volume during peak tax season or other operational issues. If you claim certain tax credits or deductions, it may require additional processing time, as the IRS may need to review and verify the eligibility of those claims. If you are expecting a tax refund, the processing time may depend on the state. For the most accurate and up-to-date information on your specific situation, you can use the Where's My Refund tool on the IRS website. Simply head over to irs.gov. This tool allows you to check the status of your federal tax refund. If you face any difficulties during this process, click on the Contact Us option to contact directly with the customer support of Jackson Hewitt. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below.